Welcome to Big Daddy's Story Time. We're reading Splash in the Sea. Can you see the mama whale and the baby whale splashing in the sea? You could see that, my friends? Great job. Would you like to read a story about mama whale and baby whale splashing in the sea? You would? Okay, let's get started. When I awake, oh, he says, I'm awake now. My mommy's there. Oh, great. We swim up to the morning air. Can you see that? Shh. Out their blowholes, they're breathing out that all the water. Can you see that? Great job. Can you see the seagulls around them? And then the big ocean there? You can see all that? Super job. We open our mouths very wide. Aww, to scoop up some yummy food inside. Yummy, the baby whale says, and the mama whale says. Can you see them scooping up their food? Holding their mouth really wide. Oh, they say, wow, can you see that? Great job. Can you see the other fish? You can see the other fish. Great job as well. Can you see the clamshells there? You could see them. Super job. We leap up in the air and then flip over and crash down again. Splash, they say. Wow, they leaped up, didn't they? And then they were in the air for a moment, and then flipping over, they crashed down. Splash into the ocean. Wow, can you see that, my friends? Great job for spotting that. And as the stars light up the sky, we sing a bedtime lullaby. Wow. La 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 la. They say we're singing a bedtime lullaby because the stars light up the sky. Wow, can you see Mama Whale and Baby Whale singing the lullaby? You do? Great job. And can you see the ocean plants there's also enjoying the music? You could see that? Super job as well. At nighttime, we swim side by side, drifting in the ocean wide. Wow, can you see baby whale there and mama whale? It's nighttime, so they're drifting side by side, just drifting in the ocean wide. Wow, can you see that? Super job for spotting that. Can you see the starfish? You could see the starfishes. Oh, you are smart too. Wow, that is so great, my friends. Okay, what have we learned today? We learned from mommy whale and baby whale. What did we learn? That the sea is a fun place. Yes, it is. Have a special day, my friends. Be sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Big Daddy Story Time. God bless.